Place the clear ice molds in the chamber. Make sure that the molds are in the correct direction. Fill the chamber with water up to the marked level. Ensure that the molds are fully filled with water and have no air bubbles. Excess water will drain through the hole in the corner. By the way, you should not use coffee, cola, or liquids other than water to make ice with this machine. Any other liquids used may cause blockage in the internal tubes. Close the lid and press the clear ice button on the control panel. You will notice the first indicator for clear ice will start flashing. Once the clear ice is ready, all 4 indicators will light up and you will hear 3 beeps. Do not open the lid when IceDuo is running the clear ice making process. How long does it take to make 1 round of clear ice? It typically takes about 8 to 12 hours to make the clear ice, depending on the ambient temperature. This is much faster than making large clear ice in a regular freezer, which usually takes over 36 hours. Detach. Once the clear ice is ready, press and hold the clear ice button to start the detaching process. This process gently heats the molds, melting any excess ice around them, making it easier to remove. It takes about 15 minutes and you will hear 3 beeps when it's done. If it is difficult to remove the molds, wait a few minutes or repeat the detaching process. By the way, you should not run the detach process if there is no ice in the chamber. Doing so could cause the machine to overheat, which may result in damage to the machine and pose a safety risk. Now, let's take out the clear ice. Open the lid. Remove the molds and separate the 2 halves. You have made clear ice. You can easily trim or shave the burrs and get a perfectly shaped clear ice block. Here's a tip for opening the molds. Separating the 2 halves from the bottom is easier than from the top. Sometimes, you may notice a layer of frost on the clear ice blocks. Simply wipe it off or immerse the ice in water to reveal its clarity. The surface of the ice cubes in Collins Spear's ice made by the machine have some small pits, which is a normal phenomenon and does not affect the density and use of the clear ice. If you don't need to use the ice block, you can put it in an airtight bag and keep it in the freezer. When using the Collins mold, ensure the lid's protruding part is positioned facing upward.